Okay, today we have an unboxing. Finally came. I'm hoping it's what I think it is. Alright, so we're gonna put the camera down for a minute, unbox it, and let's see what we got. Okay, this is it. The new version of the Avatar Goggles X. Nice, it's about time. I wanted to pull the trigger on this for a while, but I had this on my goggles, so I really didn't need it. I didn't think it was necessary, but I think it is now, and I pulled the trigger just to see how it works. This never failed me, works great. Love it on the goggles because I wear glasses and they fit perfect, and it works excellent. I do recommend this. This is an excellent system. But for now, I'm done with those, and I have this now. We're gonna pull it out and see what's in it, show you what I did to it already. Comes in a nice case. I also have the patch antenna that goes with it. I already installed this. I took the two LED light plates off and put this on already. I didn't want to do that, while I'm doing the unboxing. It took a few minutes. But I'll open this up now and show you what I got on it. It's a really nice looking goggle. Comes with the power cable, quick start guide, cloth to clean the lenses, everything you need to start. So take this out, move that over. There she is. The Goggles X, finally. Thought it was about time to upgrade. And here's what I did so far to it. I installed the patch antenna. Fits really nice too. So the next thing is firmware updates for this and this, so I could link them together. And this is the camera that's going to go in the Chipito. It's the Avatar GT Kit 2-watt. Okay, well, that's the unboxing of the Avatar Goggles X. Finally pulled the trigger and bought it. Really nice goggle. I also picked up the diopters for my lenses, so I'm waiting for them to come. Hopefully they'll be here in a couple of days. This way I have no worries. Alright? Have a nice day. See you on the next video.